Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display this earth in ThreeJS. So let's get started. So here you can see I'm displaying the earth in like the daylight earth, and if you want there is one another thing called night earth. So if I just apply this night color, here you can see we are able to see how it looks at night as well. So this is pretty simple. So firstly I have created a a project using Vite, a normal HTML, CSS and TypeScript. If you want you can use a framework as well. Then inside you will have to go to this particular website, and from this you will have to download 3 textures. So I will just search for this, just go to this earth texture and download this 2K image and this for the night map. There is this earth cloud as well which I am using, so if you want you can use that. This is not really necessary, but if you want you can use these two at least for earth day map and earth night map. Then as you can see over here inside my package.json I have installed few dependency. First is the ThreeJS 3 dependency. Then given that I am using Vite as the metro bundler, not metro bundler, webpack, as a bundler, that's why I have to install this particular dependency. So that's because we have to write some GLSL code as well as shaders code. That's why we have to install this dependency. And here I have installed this types of 3 as well. So this will help us to have TypeScript types for our ThreeJS. So these 3 dependencies have been installed. Then if you see I have added this images which I have downloaded inside my public folder. Okay, then I have created inside our index.html I have just created this canvas. Position is fixed, top left 0, outline is none, and here we are referencing our TypeScript file. So if you see inside main.ts, this is our code. So these are all the imports which I have. There are some dead imports as well which you can ignore. So I have just added all these imports. We are also importing orbit controls, and there is this vertex shader and fragment shaders as well which you can see over here. I'll come back to that later on, but firstly we get hold of our canvas, then we create a scene, then we create texture loader. Then here as you can see I'm loading the day map earth texture. Then this is the night one. If you have downloaded the cloud texture you can use it, otherwise just comment this out. Then we create a sphere geometry. Here is our shader material. Again, if you are not using the cloud texture just comment this light out, but here we are just sending that particular day night texture back to our shaders code, and then we just create a mesh, add it to our scene. Rest everything is default. Like here I am getting pixel ratio, I am creating this sizes object. Here we get hold of create our perspective camera, add it to our scene, then create orbit controls. Enable damping is true. Then here we create our WebGL renderer. We set the size, set pixel ratio and as well as color, and here on resize we just update width, height and pixel ratio, and here we update the camera aspect ratio, do update projection matrix, render the size as well as pixel ratio. And this tick function is called on every frame because we are using this request animation frame. And here we are just rotating the earth with the help of this elapsed time which we have. Okay, then if you see our shaders folder I have this fragment.glsl as well as vertex.glsl inside. So this is the code for fragment.glsl. like even I have copy pasted most of this code. So we are firstly getting the day night as well as the cloud texture from our TypeScript file. If you are not using that cloud texture just comment this out. Then comment this line out, and then we get the vuv, vnormal and vposition. We just normalize it, create a normal. Here is our color, and again we create a day color, night color. Again if you are not using the cloud texture just comment this out, and here you can pass either the day color, night color or cloud color. So if you want the day color one, here you can just replace it with day color. So here you can see this is the output. Similarly for night color as well, so it's up to you. Then here we just create our GL frag color and pass our color, and this is boilerplate code which we have to include inside our GLSL. For vertex.glsl again this is boilerplate code, just copy paste it. This is like the default GLSL code for vertex shader which we have to write. So yeah, I think that's it. That's how you can display our earth in ThreeJS. Thank you for watching. Bye.